Sorry. I know, we're assholes. We tow a trailer. Disclaimer, this is not a park review. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wildwood Golf and RV Resort. You may recognize this park from our previous episodes. It is one of our favorite parks here in southwestern Ontario. Nestled in the heart of wine country, this park features a beautiful 18-hole golf course. Large pull-through sites, buddy sites, two pools, and an on-site restaurant. We spent the week here visiting with my dad and Karen. Cheryl was able to get some runs in. We had a bonfire and watched a beautiful sunset. Even got chauffeured to dinner a few times on the back of the golf cart. It was a great week with lots of delicious meals. If you're ever in the Essex area, we highly recommend this park, but be sure to book in advance if you're planning on going during a long weekend. It fills up very quick. Disclaimer, this was not a park review. This was just supposed to be a down week. And then our tip out broke. Stay tuned, the drama continues on the next episode of Little Trailer Big Adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.